To begin this tutorial, open up the Start Thick Smoke Scene from the Training Project Scenes folder. As the name suggests, we're going to create thick smoke emitting from one of these buildings. It's going to be the kind of smoke that you'd expect from an explosion or the remnants of some sort of fire. To create the smoke, we need to start with an emitter. So I'll start off by grabbing a grid. And I'll move the grid into the building that I'm going to have smoke emitting from. This building that already looks like it's almost ready to fall down anyways. I'm going to expand the grid a little bit in size and just rotate it so it's a little more flush with the shape of the actual structure here. So from this I'm going to emit particles. I'll do an emit from selection. Do a little bit of renaming through the Explorer first, so this would be the thick smoke point cloud. And this is my emitter. One of the things you'll notice if you actually select the point cloud and open it up is that as you change the name of the object, it's actually dangling the actual object itself, and the name is referenced and updated through ICE, so that's kind of cool. I'm going to increase the number of frames in my scene to about 750 so I can see what's going on. I'm just going to make sure that my playback is set to play all frames for now. And the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I've got enough particles being emitted and that they're being emitted at the right shape and size. I'm going to stick with a low number. We want ICE to control the movement of the particles in our case, perhaps provide a color range, but we want to use few particles and let the render tree take advantage of it with the new volume shaders. So the shape I'm going to use is a spherical shape, and I'll work with the size for now. Just initialize a size of 1. I'll change that later on. I'm also going to just update the color just so it's not so yellow. I'll just make it kind of a medium gray. So we'll see where we're at. We get a fairly small particle size. We can actually figure out our size by looking at the relation of a single grid unit, which you can see here with the grid activated, and the size of a particle. So we want a particle that's probably around 5 units in size, anywhere ranging from probably 2 to 5. So we want really thin smoke at the beginning, and we want it to really thicken up and expand as it ages. So if I use a size of 5, that'll probably be the size of the particle upon emission, and we'll probably move to a size of 10. So 5 is a good size to work with for now.